How to sell printable wall art quotes on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products in this platform. So basically guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers products. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of products and most of them are handmade products like those earrings, another earrings, and so on. So here, for example, let's check this product, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one, how you can upload your pictures or your video, the video of the product basically. So I'm going to show you how you can do all of this, and also how you can price your product, how you can add those details, and how you can write your description of the product and so on. So let's go back to the main page and click on sign in button. Then you write your email and your password and click on sign in, and if you don't have an account yet, click on register to create it. So here, this is our account. You click on the shop manager in your top right, and then you proceed to setting up your shop page. So just start from the beginning, which is the shop preferences, and here you choose your language, your country, and your currency, and then you proceed to the next steps. And as you can see, we have 6 steps. Then we will have our shop ready for getting buyers. So here the language and the country, but I'm going to change the currency to the United States dollar to make things easier. Then click on save and continue, and then you choose a name for your store or your shop. So here I'm just going to choose the niche's name as my shop's name. So we will need to shorten it to 20 characters. So let's remove quotes, and it seems like printable wall art is already taken. So let's go with this one, and then click on save and continue. Then you have to create a listing page or step. So here basically in this step you upload the pictures of the product, the video, and so on. But just for you to know, if you click on save and continue and you forgot one of these, didn't fill it, you will have this message which says fill out. Let's read it again. Fill out all of the required fields correctly in order to preview or save. So make sure guys to fill out all of these information the correct way in order to proceed to the next step, which is setting up your payment processors. Then you set up your billing and your shop security. Then you make it public for the buyers to see. So let's start with the pictures or the photos. As you can read in here, please upload at least one photo. So here it's obligatory to upload at least one picture of your product, and just for you to know, the more pictures you upload, the more you will sell. It creates trust between you and your clients. And here we have some tips to help you with your pictures. Use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And then we have the video, which is not very important. If you don't have one, there is no problem. You just need a picture. But if you have one, it will create more trust with your clients. So here you have some quick tips for creating your video. Film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. Then you have this link to learn how to make videos that sell, so you can just check it to learn how to make good videos. Then we have the listing details. So here you type a title for your product, and then you choose about this listing, who made it, and then what is it, and when did you make it. Then you move on to the category, where you just type in again the name of your product or your niche, and you have a lot of categories to choose from. So just go with printable wall art quotes in digital prints. And then we have other these other listings or settings to fill, as you can see, like the primary color, secondary color, and width, height, and so on. But they are all optional, we can just skip them for later. And then we have the renewal options. So here, if you want an automatic renewal, you can select this one, and if you want a manual renewal, you can go with the manual. Then we have the type, if you have a physical product or a digital one, and then you have the description. And guys, make sure to write a good description. Just follow this guideline. Start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. So guys, if you can't, or if you find it difficult to write a description, just go and spy on your competitors and take their description. Go to ChatGPT and make some adjustment to it, and then you will have your description. Then we have the production partners if you have one. If not, just leave it empty. And then you have these three optional settings, leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. Here you put a price for your product, so make sure to calculate the price and everything related to it to not lose any money. Then you have the domestic and the global pricing if you want to turn it off. Then you have the quantity. Here you type in the how many pieces of that product you have, and the SKU number in here also. Then you have variations if you have one. If not, leave it empty. Then we have the personalization if you want to collect personalized information for this listing, turn it on or off. And then we have the shipping settings, the country of origin, origin postal code, and so on. And last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policies. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.